A digital weighing scale is one of those things. You keep putting off buying and then wonder how you managed without it. This one from Dr. Trust is about as simple as it gets, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. The front of the box calls out the key features and the back has the full product specifications. So if you want to dig into the numbers before buying, it's all right there. The unboxing itself is pretty straightforward. Inside you get an instruction manual and a 3-year warranty card, which is a decent assurance for something at this price point. Let me peel off this protective film from the display. Then at the back, open the battery door and pull out that little plastic tab they put in to stop the battery from draining in storage. This runs on a CR2032 lithium coin cell. It's the same kind you would find in a car key or a wristwatch. Coming to the build quality, the body is made of ABS plastic, which is the same material used in most home appliances. It's lightweight, and it does feel a little hollow if you knock on it. It only has 2 buttons on it, power and a unit button. The LCD is basic but clear enough to read at a glance. Coming to the units, this scale supports 5 of them: grams, kilograms, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. The milliliter mode deserves a quick mention though. It doesn't actually detect liquids. It just assumes that 1 milliliter equals 1 gram, which holds true for water. For something like oil or milk, which have a different density, the milliliter reading won't be accurate. Keep that in mind. Let me weigh my knife so you can see this in action. It reads 120 grams. Hit the unit button. Now it's in kilograms. Hit it again. Ounces. Then pounds, and finally milliliters. It's the same weight, just displayed in a different unit each time. Now the tier function. This is honestly what you will use the most. I will place this bowl on the scale. It shows the weight of the bowl. Press the tier button, and it zeroes out completely. Now anything I add into this bowl, the scale measures only that. The bowl's weight is ignored. Really useful when you are adding multiple ingredients into the same container one by one. Now, let's check the accuracy. I don't have calibrated weights right now, so I'm using my PS5 DualSense controller. The scale reads 280 grams. Sony's official specification lists it at exactly 280 grams. I'm not saying this is precise enough for a chemistry lab, but for everyday use, it's well within the range you would actually need. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.